What did we do today? That one? I did another mistake. I bought 2000 Chevy Silverado. So this is gonna be my new work truck. I'm gonna get rid of the Tacoma. Mark messed up my truck, so I needed a 4-door car. So new work truck. It's a little lifted. Yeah, he crashed it today. A little lifted. Has mud tires, 4x4. That's what I was looking for, so I could tow the Evo. Can't tow your Hellcat though.
I don't need to. I want a new car. Why would I need to tow?
So yeah, let's take it home, wash it. My girl's gonna detail it for me.
How much are you? I'm so tired for fucking doing that shit.
Everybody's asking me how much I paid for it. I paid 150 just as Sebastian. Thank you for the recommendation. But this one has 175. I paid 53. Problem with it. Has a new stereo. New stereo, new speakers. I think the only thing that's missing, has a K&N intake. It's right there. I think it had a bigger one with no carb sticker. And that's the Pioneer Kenwood speakers. The only thing that's wrong with it so far is AC's not working. Not even the blower. So I gotta get that fixed ASAP because California. Then the headliner is messing up. So I'm not too worried about that. So later on you'll see it.
You want me to put lights?
Rolls Royce?
Yeah.
Oh god. Alright, let's go because we have an 8. I start to fill up. So first fuel up. Oh, the lights turned on. Thought I wasn't open. So yeah, filling it up. It's nearly empty. Let's see how many gallons it takes. Another thing that's wrong with it, check engine light is on for evap, but that's nothing big. Nothing had to do with the motor. It had to do with the tank. So this car didn't even wash it. But yeah, pretty cool. It has actually controls in your steering wheel for being a 2000. That's pretty cool. So there it is, probably a 24 gallon. Damn, $86. It's at $3.59. Already going home. Damn it, Mark, what'd you do to my truck?
This is what happened when you borrow because the wrong people always.
Damn, I caved in. Like, that's gonna get buffed out. That's gonna stay there, scratch. But they got the fender right here, and I guess the insurance also is gonna get this. So, sorry, truck.
This is what happened when you borrow.
So, tire hit it so bad that it took my windshield wiper off. Damn, good thing I got new ones.
This is what happened when you bought
Mark, what the hell did you do to my truck?
Talking that shit.
This is what happened when you borrow one of your cars from a Copa. What do you do with the truck?
I don't know. Morning.
What's that?
Gracias.
The T from Toyota.
Oh shit, dude.
They bought it. Dang,
Oh, shit.
I need a new battery too. What the hell?
Oh, and your antenna too. I forgot to mention antenna.
Antenna too. Like, there you go.
Alright, how you know this too, guys?
Yeah, I told them that.
Yeah, that happened in accident. And the dent too here.
And this one.
The more blew up because of that tire too.
Talk about the new truck.
I mean, it's not a no Gimma cut truck, more of a yeehaw truck.
Hey, it could tow Evo.
I was that little 5.3.
Yeah, it could.
Oh, it has a muffler. Cut it off. Let me that shit. Weight reduction. Ooh, nice hood.
Yeah, hood is faded. Car used to be red.
I already know he's gonna tell me. Mark, I need you my headlights.
Yep, do my headlights.
Damn it, you gave me like a fucking list of headlights, bitch.
You got Corolla headlights. You got trucks headlights.
So guys, this car will probably be for sale like in about a year and a half or two, maybe 3 years tops.
3 years after I pay the Hellcat.